So hey, what's up guys, Harsh here and back with another video. So guys, in this video we're gonna see that how we can update our BIOS of our computer or laptop or whatever. So in this particular case I will be updating the BIOS of my motherboard, which is a Gigabyte motherboard, and usually we do get a lot of utility softwares for our motherboard, but for this particular case we'll be installing the BIOS file on this pen drive, and from this BIOS pen drive we'll update our BIOS. So guys, without wasting any time, let's just quickly get started. Anyway guys, we need to press this Windows R, and we need to type in msinfo32 just to get just to know the name of our motherboard. So guys, as you can see, the system manufacturer is Gigabyte and the system model, it is this one, B560M DS3H AC. So after this we'll go on to the Gigabyte website, and from here we'll select motherboard, and from here either we can type in the name of our motherboard or we can search it from here. So I'll just search my model names. This is the motherboard which I have, and from here we'll need to click on support and BIOS, and guys, as you can see, you can download the latest BIOS. So the BIOS that I'm using right now is of 2021. So I have a 5-year-old BIOS in my computer. It is recommended to keep it up to date. So the last update which was there was of 2015. Still it's around 6 months old. Anyway, we'll just click on download and we'll insert our pen drive into our computer. And now we'll insert our pen drive into our computer. So we'll extract the folder here onto our pen drive, and so basically this is all what we need to do. So now we can shut down our computer, and particularly for our motherboard, the process to enter the BIOS menu is from F2 key. So I'll just shut it down. I'll just turn on my computer and keep pressing on to the F2 key so that I get into the BIOS menu. And so I'll just keep on pressing the F2 key to enter the BIOS menu. And guys, I do have my pen drive inserted into my computer. So basically we'll go on to system info and we'll click on Q flash. So guys, here we have two options: to update the BIOS or to save the BIOS. So obviously we want to update the BIOS, so I'll just press here. And so alright guys, as you can see, currently I am getting my pen drive. So here is the SanDisk pen drive that I have used. Also guys, I forgot to mention, make sure you have formatted your pen drive in the NTFS format. And from here we need to select this file, which is the B560M DS. This one, we'll just click on enter, and guys, here it will confirm that are you sure you want to update the BIOS. We'll just click on yes, and basically it will verify the file, and the process is pretty much straightforward. So as you can see, currently the BIOS is F2 version, and now it will be updated to this F15 version. So I'll just click on enter, and this will start updating my BIOS. It should take around 5 to 10 minutes only. Let's see. So currently it's 5:01. So currently it's 3:01. Let's see how much time it will take. Also, during this entire time, make sure to have your power supply on, because obviously currently we are inside our BIOS and we are changing the main files that are used to boot up your system. So make sure they get completely written on your BIOS, complete 100%. Do not touch anything in between. Do not remove any devices. Make sure you have enough power backup as well, because this small mistake can maybe cost you your computer. And even though the computers are getting smart, but still I don't think there is a complete 100% safe option to roll back if you miss something in between. And so guys, now my computer will restart, and let's just enter the BIOS. So I'll not touch it right now. Let it do whatever it wants to do. I think it will boot into my Windows, or I'm not sure. Let's see. So guys, in this process my computer restarted 3 to 4 times, and now also it is restarting. So again guys, I highly recommend you not to touch anything and let it do its thing. So finally guys, I'm inside my Windows, and guys, finally I'm inside my Windows. So I'll just shut down my computer and I'll just check if my BIOS is updated or not. So alright guys, as you can see, the system has been updated and it's the F15B option right now. Earlier it was F2. So yes, we have updated our BIOS. And so alright, now I certainly hope you came to see only this in this video. If you guys made till the end, just drop a like, and if you didn't like the video, then feel free to dislike as well. Just let me know in the comments down below, why are you disliking the video. Anyway guys, I am Harsh, signing out. Peace. Jai Hind.